Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be doing this makeup look right here. This is a cool toned fall makeup look and I put this up on my Instagram probably a few days ago, I think. I just did like a mini video of my face makeup, but a lot of you requested me to do a full YouTube tutorial on it, so here I am doing it for you guys. I haven't done a cool toned makeup look in a long time, so I thought that I don't know why I didn't just film this for YouTube in the first place. And also this is a voiceover makeup tutorial. I haven't done one of these in a long time as well. And I feel like a lot of you enjoy voiceovers just because they kind of get straight to the point. They're just really focused like solely on the makeup. But yeah, I really like this look. It came out a little bit darker than what I did on Instagram, but you guys get the whole gist of the look, I guess. Where am I going with this? I'm just gonna stop talking, so let's get into the tutorial. Alright, so starting with my brows already done, and I put some concealer on my eyelids. I used the It Cosmetics Bye Full Coverage Anti-Aging Waterproof Concealer in Light Fair, holy crap, long name. And then I'm going in with the Tarte Tartelette eyeshadow palette and taking this very pale shade and this flat shader brush from Iconic London, and I'm just going to use that shade to set the concealer. Next with the shade Natural Beauty and this fluffy brush from LA Girl Cosmetics, just a big fluffy crease brush. I'm going to use this as the transition shade, really blending it out in the crease. And going back and forth with that color and the first base color that I used and just kind of blending the color out as best as I can.
It's been a couple years since I've seen your face. Wonder what you're up to now. Yeah, my head is still up in space. I guess I never came down. I can tell you that I've changed a bit though, not too much since then. We were always rebellious kids. Do you remember when we were riding through the night? Moon was on our side. Once upon a time. Once upon a time.
Next, going in with Bombshell and Best Friend, and I'm taking a smaller crease brush. This one's from Violet Voss, and I'm just going to blend that out in my crease, making it a little bit tighter in the crease, not as blown out as that last color, but I'm just trying to deepen up this look a little bit. Then just taking the color Bombshell on that flat shader brush from Iconic London, and I'm going to put this on my lid. I think I used Best Friend on my lid when I posted this on Instagram, so this look did turn out a little bit darker, like I said in the beginning of the video. So if you're wanting it to be a little bit lighter, just go in with the color Best Friend and do this step. Then I'm going to create a winged eyeliner. I'm going in with the Stila Stay All Day liquid liner in Intense Black, and this is the one with the micro tip, not the normal one, like the smaller tip, whatever. And I'm making it a pretty thick winged eyeliner. Next for the skin, I'm going in with the Jouer Anti-Aging Moisture Primer. I haven't used this primer in a long time, but I used to really like it. It's just a really perfect consistency for dry skin. And then for foundation, I'm going in with the new It Cosmetics Oil-Free Matte Foundation, and I'm using the shade Fair. And this is actually a really nice foundation. This is my first time using it, and I ended up really liking it. It's just the perfect color, and it has the perfect amount of coverage for me at least, and I appreciate that it is semi-matte. It says that it's a matte foundation, but it could be a lot matter in my opinion. But I just really like the finish of it.
It's been a couple years since I've seen your face. Wonder what you're up to now. Yeah, my head is still up in space. I guess I never came down. I can tell you that I've changed a bit though, not too much since then.
Then I'm going in with that It Cosmetics Bye Bye Under Eye Concealer that I used before, and I'm just applying this with a flat concealer brush and then blending it out with my beauty blender. I'm just applying it underneath my eyes and on the high points of my face, kind of keeping it a bit thin, not putting on too much.
Crossing all lines, once upon a time, once upon a time.
After everything is blended out, I'm going to take the Nabla Cosmetics Close Up Setting Powder in Translucent, and I'm just going to bake underneath my eyes and on my smile lines with that beauty blender, and then I'm going to take a big fluffy brush. The one that I'm using today is by Vanity Planet. It's just a very big fluffy setting powder brush. You know what I mean? And I'm just going to set the rest of my face, making sure everything is nice and not sticky. Then for bronzer, we're going to be using the Take Home the Bronze bronzer by TheBalm in Oscar. And I'm using this big fluffy brush from Luxie, and I'm just going to bronze the outsides of my face like I always do.
I think of you now and then. Won't let the memories fade to dust. Baby, remember when we were riding through the night.
Then for blush, I'm taking this blush book by Tarte, and I'm taking the color Spirit Fingers and just applying that to the apples of my cheeks using a small blush brush from Japanesque. Then for highlighter, going in with the Mary Luminizer by TheBalm and this highlighting brush from Luxie. I'm just going to highlight the high points of my face. I love this highlighter. It is like one of my all-time favorites. I always use it whenever I'm doing bridal makeup. And then to finish off the face, I'm taking the iconic London Prep Set and Glow Face Mist. Now for the lower lash line, I'm going to waterline my eyes with the Urban Decay 24/7 Glide On Pencil, and this is in the shade Vice. This is like one of my favorite eyeliners in the world. As you guys probably know, I've used it thousands of times in my videos. And then I'm going to take a clean pencil brush from Luxie and just smudge out that color on my lower lash line. And then taking the color Best Friend with that pencil brush and just blending out that color and switching between the pencil brush and a fluffier brush from Luxie. I'm just going to really blend it out, making sure that it's not patchy anywhere. Then taking the Mary Luminizer highlight again and just using that as an inner corner highlight, and then I'm going to coat my lower lashes with some mascara. I'm just using the Wander Beauty Unlashed mascara, and then finishing off the look with Ofra's liquid lipstick in Amsterdam. Okay guys, that is it for this tutorial. I hope that you enjoyed it. I am so excited to just keep doing fall makeup looks. Fall makeup looks are probably my favorite looks to do, and also Halloween is coming up and I have a couple ideas of some looks that I'm going to be doing, and I just am really excited because Halloween is like my time where I really get creative and I just kind of like let like my professionalism, I guess, in videos go. Like I kind of just focus solely on the art and the makeup. But yeah, if you guys have any ideas and requests to do a certain type of Halloween makeup look, please leave them down below. I need more ideas for more videos. Like I said, I only have like a few in mind, and I don't know if I'm going to do all the looks that I have in mind just because sometimes it takes trial and error. So I need some suggestions. But yeah, that's pretty much it. Thank you guys so much for watching. I love you, and I will catch you in my next video. Bye guys.